Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn ratio and proportion. So before we start, let me tell you, ratio is nothing but just a fraction. Suppose we write here A is to B. That means A upon B. If we write 5 is to 7, that simply means 5
upon 7. So I hope you have understood this.
Now let me remove this. I have written here, as you can see on the screen, I have written 3 questions. So question number 1 says, if A is to B is equal to 3 is to 4 and B is to C is equal to 6 is to 7, then find A is to C. So we don't need B over here. So what we will do, we will simply write A, one second, we will simply write A upon B multiplied by B upon C. Now, what is the value of A upon B? In the question it is given 3 upon 4 multiplication sign, and B is to C is equal to 6 upon 7. Now you can see over here B and B gets cancelled. Over here 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. This 3 and 7 will not get cancelled. So we are getting A upon C is equal to 3 3s are 9 upon 7 2s are 14. Therefore A is to C is equal to 9 is to 14. Now we are coming to question number 2. Question number 2 says, if A is to B is equal to 5 is to 6 and B is to C is equal to 8 is to 9, then find A is to B is to C. So let us write same way, A upon B is equal to 5 upon 6. Then below we will write B upon C is equal to 8 upon 9. Now we have to find the value of A is to B is to C. So B must have only one value, it can't have two values. So here we can see B has two values, 6 as well as 8. So what we do to make it equal, what we do, we multiplied by the first one will be multiplied by the second value of B. So we write here 8 upon 8. Why have I done 8 upon 8? Because when you reduce it you get 1. So that we have not made any changes here. Same way, second fraction will be multiplied by the first value of B, that is 6 upon 6. Now put equal sign. Let us multiply. 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. Here we get again 48 and below we get 54. Now you can see the value of B has become same over here. You see 48 48. So we will write A is to B is to C is equal to 40 is to 48 is to 54. Now we can't leave it like that, we must reduce it into its simplest form. So when you reduce, you get 20, you get here 24 and you get here 27. So therefore we write A is to B is to C is equal to 20 is to 24 is to 27. Now we are moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 says, if 3A is equal to 5B is equal to 6C, then find the value of A is to B is to C. So we will write 3a equals 5b equals 6c is equal to k, where k is a constant, we assume it. So, in linear equation you have done like this. If I tell you 3a is equal to k, so therefore the value of a will be k upon 3. Same way if you write 5b equals to k, therefore b is equal to k upon 5, and 6c equals to k, therefore c is equal to k upon 6. Now, since we have to find the value of a is to b is to c, so we write here a is to b is to c is equal to k upon 3 is to k upon 5 is to k upon 6. So all the k's will get cancelled. So we get 1 upon 3 is to 1 upon 5 is to 1 upon 6. But we will not leave the answer over here. What we have to do, since the ratios are coming in fraction, we need to take the LCM of the denominators. So the LCM of the denominators will come LCM of 3, 5 and 6 will be equal to 30. You can check it out in your rough column. So whatever LCM comes, we write the fraction and we multiply that fraction by the LCM. Then 1 upon 5 into 30 is to 1 upon 6 into 30. Now let's reduce it. 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, 6 ones are 6 and 6 5s are 30. So we will put equal sign. We write here 10 into 1, we get 10 here, we get 6 here is to 5. So this is the way you need to solve. This was the first part of ratio and proportion. Very soon I will be coming with the second part in the video. Till then you take care. Bye bye.